Additional Russia Center chirping from Dr. Chi, Berkey Working Museum Director, Curator, Chief Ornithologist, and Art Critic. Prime Minister Malvol's having breakfast over there. Enjoy your breakfast, pt3of3, darling. Nice, beautiful chirping and singing, Dr. Chi. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yep, we got to sign out for the New Year here. The Yiddishkeit New Year. My Kinder are enjoying it. My children, my stepchildren, that is. It's not everybody who gets to have foul stepchildren, you know? All right, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Grazie, grazie. Muchas gracias. Ta. Dziękuję. All right, there you have it.